Greetings everyone, Sarah here, your favorite signing agent newbie, with a video about using your calendar. Once you get an influx of work, you have to be organized. And the best way to be organized and having your orders not being double and triple booked or minimize it as much as you can, you need to have a calendar. I use my Google Calendar. You can also use your Outlook, but Google connects to my email and a lot of other different things. So I go ahead and click on this little box right here and I click on calendar. I have an order coming up this Monday, and as you can see, I already have 2 orders, but I have one at 11. So I typically write in the title section the signer's last name and what type of work it is, or where did I get the order from. So if it's SnapDocs, I know SnapDocs when I add, because SnapDocs allows you to add orders from your calendar, from their site directly to your calendar. So if I see a number like this, I know that's SnapDocs. But this one will be general notary work, so I'll put in GNW. At the location section, I will type in where I'll be completing the signing. And this is also great because I use Google Maps, and when this pops up on my phone, I can just click the link and it automatically starts mapping and giving me the directions and mapping to that location. In the description, I always like to add a phone number, and that is because if I need to call them for directions, again, it's just a tap on my phone. Because we cannot be texting and driving and all of that. So you really want to keep it simple for you. And I save it. Now, I always try to give myself travel time. I always do that. But this is general notary work. I know it's going to take me about no more than 10 minutes. And it also gives you reminder options. Now, for those who don't know, your Google mailbox can get full. Mine is full. So they're going to both email me right now 30 minutes before the signing, and also they're going to send me a notification to my phone. So to keep my email clean, because I have a lot of emails, I'm just going to take this off, and that's it. I won't get an email. I'll just get a notification to my phone, and you can see how many minutes, hours, days, weeks in advance you may want to get a notification about your order, and I save it. And this way I can see what's going on my calendar. It keeps me organized. I have been double, triple booked before, and it is no fun because you'll be rushing for one, and signing companies tend to don't like you to change the appointment time. So you just want to keep a calendar running, and you can set up your own type of, notifications, what works best for you. So again, to be an asset, you have to be organized, okay? And you want to be on time, 10 to 15 minutes prior if possible. So until next time, guys, happy signings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you soon.